That's right, guys. The headliner's back, completely redone in red suede. Big shout out to Savannah on the Kraken team for doing this for me. Finally have it back. I think it is raining a little bit, but we're gonna try to reinstall it. I'm gonna see if I remember how to put everything back together. But this thing came out amazing. This material she used was just perfect. So I'm gonna reinstall this, pretty much let down the corners first and then just kind of put it back in. While I do that, enjoy some clips from IFO this past weekend at Ennis.
2, 3.
Blaze out of the gate already. This thing is just beautiful. We have this car. This car is Julio's. I wrapped this one. Beautiful blue. And this is from the wrap vlog where we did the banner. Looking amazing. Super clean. And of course, hey, what's going on, man? Doing good, bro. And we have this beautiful E46. It is just so freaking clean.
Awesome.
What's up, Spencer? Hit him up for any rollers or anything. He is the man.
Appreciate that.
Yes, sir. And of course, we can't forget about GT Jesse and his build. Very clean. I am enjoying us working together on this new wrap coming up. Super sick. R33B spec. I'm assuming that's paint. Yeah, no, that's paint. Oh, the runs. All right, guys, this came out amazing. I've been waiting a long time for this, so let's check it out. My all-new red suede headliner came out way better than I thought it did. Look how that pops now. It's so clean. Looks way better than it did before. And when reinstalling, I was worried about getting the edges dirty when I was pushing it in. And don't worry, because these cover about an inch of the headliner there on all around areas. So you really just have to watch out with this area here. If you want to wear gloves, you can. I didn't, and I didn't have any issues. This thing is amazing. I gotta buy a new plate for this, or maybe glue the old one back on, but I am super satisfied. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. This is a huge upgrade. Probably my favorite mod so far. And that wraps up another video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more content. I'm gonna be doing more work on this unless it decides to crap out or something. See you in the next one.